teaching you some Filipino words because I'm a Filipino. In English, yes. In Tagalog, oo. In English term, beautiful. In Tagalog term, maganda. In English term, they say, grandmother or old person. In Tagalog, they say lola. In English term, they say bottle. In Tagalog term, they say bote. In English term, they say perfume. In Tagalog term, Filipino term, they say pabango. In English term, they say dog. In Tagalog term, they say aso. In English term, they say cat. In Filipino term, they say pusa. In English term, they say food. In Tagalog term, they say pagkain. In English term, they say mirror. The Filipino term, they say salamin. In English term, they say food. The Filipino term, they say pagkain. In English term, they say hand. In Filipino term, they say kamay. In English term, they say numbers. In Filipino term, they say bilang. In English term, they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Filipino term, they say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In English term, they say hair. In Filipino term, they say buhok. In English term, they say door. In Filipino term, they say pintuan or pinto. Waiting for part 2.